Happy new month guys, and welcome to my Vlogmas series day 1. On today's video, I will give you the top secrets to a successful road trip. Road trips can be fun depending on two major things. 1. The people you're traveling with, and 2. The comforts of your vehicle. But more than these are simple measures that will make your road trip successful. Comfort. It's important that travelers wear comfortable clothes and shoes. It's a no-brainer for all kinds of travels really. Mental preparedness. Psychological preparedness will save you from the "are we there yet" syndrome. Before your road trip, ensure you're acquainted with the necessary details. These include the number of hours you'll spend on the road. Having a map is not a must, but necessary. Music or audiobooks. You can download some royalty-free travel music that will last your entire trip. Audiobooks are also a great alternative. Conversations. Light-hearted conversations, jokes, and storytelling will make your road trip fun. Additionally, having a knowledgeable tour guide is a plus. The tour guide will state the necessary facts about the people and places you'll meet along the way. Necessary stops. Road trips can go for long hours. It's therefore important to make time for the necessary stops. You might need to stop for a bathroom break, to stretch your legs, or to pose for a picture. Snacks. To keep your energy levels at optimum, kindly pack some healthy snacks. Safety measures. Stock your first aid kit with the necessary supplies. Also, note the details of the hospitals stationed along your route. Get your camera rolling. Film bits of your trip as you journey along. And finally, cleanliness. Traveling in a dirty vehicle is one of the most annoying things. It gets worse when it's a road trip. You can easily overcome this nuisance by arming yourself with some plastic grocery bags. This can serve as temporary trash cans and lifesavers for passengers who get car sick. For responsible travel, don't throw the bags stashed with the litter outside the window. It's gross and unfair to the people plying the same route. Thank you so much guys for watching this video to the end. I hope it will help make your next road trip successful. If you enjoyed the video, please kindly give it a like, share with your friends, and if you haven't already, kindly subscribe to my channel. Until tomorrow, take care. Bye. Mwah.